Little red bird, I see your colors through the trees. Little red bird, a dedication to love beyond what we see. Valley, you're singing is like a whisper in my heart. The way you see the world through your eyes is bigger than all of us combined. You don't know I'm watching when you disappear into the leaves, carrying another little offering back to the one you've chosen to keep. No monuments beneath you, no kingdom bearing your name. Still every morning you return, and somehow nothing is the same. Little red bird, you don't know how much you mean, building your whole universe somewhere between the branches and the green. You don't know somebody sees you, you don't know somebody cares. You just keep singing for your lady like she's the only thing up there. Maybe that's what makes us matter, not how brightly we are seen, but the little acts of devotion that keep turning everything. I watch you bring her something, then wait until she's had her share. You never call it sacrifice, you just love her because she's there. No audience beneath the branches, no applause when you arrive, but there's something almost holy in the ordinary way you live your life. And somewhere behind those bushes there's a home I've never seen, a tiny world of feathered hearts hidden underneath the green. You don't ask if you're important, you don't wonder where you stand. You wake beneath the morning and do everything you can. Little red bird, you don't know how much you mean, building your whole universe somewhere between the branches and the green. Just keep singing for your lady like she's the only thing up there. Maybe that's what makes us matter, not how brightly we are seen, but the little acts of devotion that keep turning everything. Valor, maybe heaven isn't watching from some distant place above. Maybe heaven is the witness when a creature chooses love. Maybe nothing is insignificant, maybe nothing disappears. Maybe every song is carried farther than the singer hears. And maybe you have watched me too, through the window, through the trees, thinking humans are peculiar things for making life so hard to be. While you build a home, feed the one you love, and sing because you're free. Little red bird, I see your colors through the green, and now I think I understand what significance can mean. You may never know I'm watching, you may never know your part, but something small beneath my universe to me. Little red bird, go home before the evening falls. Little red bird, maybe none of us are little after